Judge Martin, who is our next performer for the night?
Our next performer is somebody whose confidence sometimes palagi wala. Pero ngayon, I'm sure he's very confident because I am confident about Gabriel. Hindi ko na-expect na yan ang lalabas sa katawan mo, sa lahat. You are part of my top 3.
Oh my God! Pumasok po ako dito na walang confidence sa sarili. Siguro sa itsura ko din, sa boses din kasi hindi naman talaga ako bilib sa boses ko eh. Insecure lang po din talaga ako kaya wala akong confidence.
The song I chose for Gabriel, a song that's very popular, so is the movie it came with.
Nung sinabi po sa akin ni Sir Martin kung ano yung kakantahin ko, sobrang nagulat ako kasi birit yun eh. Tsaka hindi ko alam kung paano ko kakantahin yung ganun.
They'll watch him. Maghahanap sila ng hindi sa perfect note niya, kundi sa pagkakamali niya.
Pero ang ginawa ko, pina-arrange ko na iba, mas Gabriel ang feel.
Nung narinig ko na yung kanta na in-arrange na ni Mr. Mon Faustino, ang ganda. Sobrang napakalaking honor po na yung kakantahin mo si Mr. Mon Faustino yung mag-arrange. Bibigyan ko po ng twist yung song na parang ako talaga yung kumanta. Eto ako. This is me.
Gabriel Mamaturan.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day it will rain, rain, rain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ow. Oh, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Hey,
Gabby! My God, from the first time I saw him, he has improved. He even became more guapo now.
Oh my God!
Just because your mentor is guapo too. Diba? Congratulations. Very,
Thank you
very.
so much, Miss
My
Pilip.
goodness, you have really improved so much. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Pilita.
Gabriel, from the very start, together with your mentor, pinag-usapan ka na namin. Even bago nagkaalaman kung sino ang magme-mentor sa mga groups, no? Tonight, however, I saw you do something na hindi ko pa nakikita, which is you know how to move. Move. Hindi ko sinabing dance, okay? Pero okay lang yun dahil hindi naman kailangan marunong sumayaw. Dapat marunong gumalaw. And that's what you have. So I'm surprised. Vocally, I think you can do better. But dahil Nalagyan mo ng konting galaw na hindi ko na-expect. Pretty good.
Thank you so much.
Pretty good.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gavin.
Naaliw ako sa performance niya. Naaliw ako sa mga dancers na sumasayaw sa likod niya. Nakalimutan ko malungkot pala yung kanta. No, in fairness talaga, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Natatakot tuloy ako sa mga next pang mga magpe-perform. Lahat talaga nag-improve. So far, ang galing.
Yes,
Ang galing.
thank you so much, Miss Chili's.
Gabriel, you did a great job. I'm so proud of you. You'll have to forgive my brother, though, because he's used to hearing it more than one voice at the same time in his category of groups. So maybe he's not hearing what we're all hearing, the magic. Oh,
Bro,
he's only one guy, you know?
when he did one of those songs in the boot camp, I heard his voice. So I thought that's what I would hear. But it's not that he did bad. Hindi
Yeah,
sa masama yung ginawa niya. But that's why I'm excited because I would love to see you again.
We all would love to see you again, especially Davao del Norte is texting at the end of this show. Right, Casey?
Yes,
Good job,
that's
baby.
right. Wow, para akong nag-ice skating dito. Pumasok ang ulan sa Pagcor Theater. Biyaya yan, di ba? Alright. Gab, nung nag-umpisa tayo with 20,000 auditionees, nakita namin na ibang-iba ang confidence mo then and now. Saan mo nakuha yung confidence mo for tonight's performance?
Alam niyo po, unang-una sa mga fans na sumusuporta po sa akin. Na-shock po ako dahil ang dami ng mga messages sa Facebook. Tapos pinapagawa pa ako ng Twitter. Ayan po, tsaka yung mentor namin. Sobrang galing ni
Alright.
Sir Martin Magna.
Okay, mga kapamilya, to vote for Gabriel, tandaan accept space Gab, G-A-B. Voting lines, guys, will be open at the end of the show. But for now, another round of applause for Gab! All right, after the break,